Rightio, one last camp to finish the year. So we're going to head off to Motu. We've got to go to a Whitikau and then around and in because the Motu road from Matawai has a big slip on it. I'll try and put a photo up there. Pretty decent size slip, so I don't think we'd get through that. So yeah, we'll go to a Whitikau and then we'll go around from that end, Tirahonga and in. Jordan's coming, Chase in his 80 series, and Josh in his X-Trail who came to Loddon with us. So yeah, it should be good. Hopefully we can get a campsite there. Hopefully it's not too busy being, you know, end of the year, people on holiday now. So I'll just play it as it goes and see how we end up. Should be good. What a beast.
I know.
Here we go. Yep, let's go. Today, usually we come through after rain, so got us a bit of a tree block rescue in Dana. The old J Wood, first time going up to Motu.
God damn.
And someone's trying to block the road, but not with Chase on the case. This road was famous years ago for the World Rally Cars. They used to love driving through this road. We used to go with Dad. He'd take us to Matawai, and you'd see them come out of the Motu and the Whakarau, the 555 WRXs of Colin McRae, and the Castrol Celica GT4s. It was pretty cool, and I think the Escorts back then too. So yeah, and a lot of them still say it's one of the best rally roads in the world. Rightio, so the Motu road is straight ahead. It carries on through to Matawai normally, but we're going this way. This is where our camp is.
It's pretty dusty.
Rightio.
Oh, perfect. There's basically no one here.
And the toilet's closer.
Close to the toilet too.
Perfect, look, no one else here. That's luxury camping at its finest. Now he just puts these little parts up and he's good to go. We've still got a setup, by the way. He's done. Yeah, he can just stop now and enjoy. Right, so we made it to Whitikau camp. There's our toilet over there, long drop. And then we've got just setting up still, some of them. Chase's set up, big 80 series, nice tent. Does that awning look a little bit familiar? It's the awning that used to be on my CRV, is now on the 80. We're set up. The girls are just getting their tent set up. Josh is obviously set up. He's got the chip and dip, so he's ready for his evening. Jordan's up on the mountain up there, taking some photos as he does. He just wants to be king of the hill. Capable. Oh, Jimmy Jackson, we're proud. Jay Wood bought retros to camp. The Christmas edition. That's the 4-pack?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't tried that new flavour.
Yeah. Most remote review of retros.
Oh, look at that. Treasure. Outdoors. Cheers, trying the new retros. Pretty good. The camp's just up there, and then we come down. Oh, look at the beautiful colour of the water. Nice and clear. Gotta love that. Deep through there, deep in that little area over the far there.
Hot, yeah, or jump in.
Yeah, they don't like that.
But this is not that warm. I just put a jersey on. No.
28 plus maybe. Fuck yeah, that's the camp oven.
It's good fun. It's that time. This is perfect timing. This is cook up time of the evening. We are cooking the meat on the fire over there. Well, Chasers. The girls are setting up their hotel over there.
It's not a hotel. No one is allowed.
Oh, gotcha. Told.
Nothing beats a jet too.
And we've got probably a sunset going on over there.
Can I count as it goes now? No, this is cool.
The awning with its light, LED light, it's pretty cool though.
You know with it. Caramel latte. The wolf is nice.
Okay, I'm blowing it out now.
Safe distance from the fire. It's still getting.
No, depending on if you turn in or not.
No, they're long gone.
Okay, never
Me
mind.
light
Pop
it.
on that thing.
Perfect spotlights of the day over the fence in Corfa, and I hear that it was like some ridiculous.
There's a cool fan up the top there too. Very nice. Right, woke to a beautiful morning. Toilet, camp. Had the fire going last night, it was good. Some eels came up by the river. And now I'll just wait for everyone to wake up, cook some breakfast, have a chill out with this beautiful blue sky. And then we'll make our way back towards the Potiki. But yeah, no rush on it. Go check the river out and yeah, a bit of dew on the ground, so guess it gets a little bit cold in here at night. But yeah, we decided to obviously bring Goldmember and the Suzuki back to the main camp spot that they started years ago. So that's cool to get a final camp in with the two vehicles, because we probably will be selling them up pretty soon. So yeah, it's cool, and cool to have Chase there with his 80 series and Josh come in his X Trail. So that's cool. Just down the river. Ooh, that water's pretty fucking cold. So very, very clear though. There's a very deep pond here. Had a couple of eels come up last night in this area, so pretty cool. Defrosting. Ready to go?
Yep, we're on.
How was your sleep here, Josh, on the first night camping at Whitikau?
Yeah, it's all good.
Good to have fire, eh? Chase. New mattress time. Bit too thin on the rooftop. Jordan. Well, it doesn't matter how he's sick because he's going to have a coffee to counteract it anyway. And yeah, new mattress, eh?
Yep.
Bigger one. It's too thin in that one. And this tent must be the best sleeping because they haven't even got out yet, so. Iconic.
Like three.
Yeah.
Make sure you girls will slab it up real.
Do not feel like my sister being lost in. Do not feel like being.
Getting some solid scenes for you.
The old bus here, nature's taking it back. End.